welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. I have a design team project for ASC Craft Supplies. I will leave links to their online stores in the description box below, and my coupon code is Michelle10 for 10% off any regular price purchases. And they do offer free shipping now on all of their items, and I know my friends and I, we love getting a deal on shipping. So they offer that now on all of their products. And what I have created today are these little 3x4 note card books. I followed a tutorial by Carolina's Crafts, and I'll link her in the description box below if you don't know who she is. Super sweet, talented lady, and she made these, and I have the large cinch and the small one, and I have rarely used it. And I saw her little books and had to make some. I actually made like 40 of them. I'm going to a crop today, and I wanted to make all of the crop participants a little goodie, and this was just, I went through and used scraps. This was a great scrap buster, and I have a lot of Mente paper that comes with the 2 sheets of journaling cards, so this was an absolutely perfect project. And then of course I had some pieces of sheets as well as a few 12x12 sheets that I was able to cut up and make my books. So I thought this was a great scrap buster for myself. And I think it would be good for those too who also are Mente paper lovers. It was just a great way to use up your paper when you have, when you're down to your scraps. So the first paper collection I used is Mente's Mama Rozzi. It's a beautiful collection, as you can tell here. On the front of it has like the yellow tones and lots of cameras, hence Mama Rozzi, like paparazzi, I think. And so I used various coils on here, and I think I used the 3/4 inch. That might have been different than her tutorial. That's what I had, and it seemed to work. So I just decorated the front and the inside, and then like I said, I used scraps, and I gave me a little junk journal feel, so I left papers in there that maybe weren't quite the right size, but I thought I'm going to put it in there. I thought it looked really cute. And here you can see some more of the cameras, and I did just use the 12x12 papers for this. Actually, this may be a 6x6 actually that I start looking at it, and then I just cut I think they're 3x5 note card, just cut those in half, and then I put in a few little sheets of paper here and there. Some may have a little more than others, but I just love the paper. And this was one of the journaling cards, and they were just the perfect size, of course. So I did use those mostly, but I do have some scraps, as you can see. Just wanted to show you that I did use some scraps. It's just a gorgeous paper collection. So there's the back, and whoops, there we go. And there's the very back cover. But I thought these were so fun, and I'll just go through and show you the fronts and the inside so you can see the paper. And like I said, on the front, I put a piece that wasn't quite the size, and you can see there I've just got various papers on the inside. And I'll just do a quick flip through, and we won't worry about the cards on the inside. But these were really fun to make, and I felt it was a great scrap buster. I'll just show you the front and the back. I won't show you all of them. I'll just show you a couple of each of the different papers. This was Mente's Dear Diary. Really pretty paper collection. Also had the cameras, has a typewriter, and then I thought this little piece was cute to go here in the front. And there's the back, journaling card, and the journaling cards, like I said, were just perfect. She had us cut our chipboard. We cut it a little bit larger than the note card, so it was 3 1/8 by 4 1/8 for the chipboard. So for me, it gave me that nice border. She took the decorative paper and wrapped around the chipboard. I took Michael's 65-pound solid cardstock, wrapped the chipboard, and then used my journaling cards. And I love the light bulb here with the beautiful florals in the background. Like I said, I'll just open it up and show you the inside, front, and then of course little pieces And I love the little wood stove. There's the back with one of those lights and the books. And then this was a really collection by, another pretty collection by Mente. And this was Next Trip. So really pretty blues in this collection. And the florals, of course, I think they're known for their florals. Here's another one of those. So just fun, easy projects that sometimes I feel that I need. And here are some Country Fair of the paper collection. And like I said, if I didn't have much paper, I usually had those journaling cards left over. Love the paper. I think it's so pretty. And there's one more of it. There's that. And I had some scraps from the Graphic 45 Make a Splash. And my granddaughter wanted one of these, so she took one. And then, like I said, I had a lot of scraps from it where I made a mini album. And this is Stamperia's Garden of Promises. So you have lots of scraps, as you know, when you're making a mini album. So they were perfect for this. A lot of strips that were just the correct width. So like I said, I'm just showing a few of these. Hopefully they will inspire you. And this is City of Love by Mente. It's a beautiful Parisian collection. Really, really pretty. And then this one, these two were the first two I made, and I did make them more like Carolina's, and this is Mente's Lady collection. And she did little tab dividers, and she did some pockets with tags, but since I was making so many, I stopped doing that. So I think this was like maybe the first one. I thought I did one with a few tags. I don't see them, but it's just a, you know, fun thing to make. They are, you know, where I made so many, it did take a little while. As I said, I've not used my cinch very often. And then I had a few from Heartfelt Creations. I'm not sure which collection this is. It's either the Mum or Iris. I think I had gotten some sheets in my design team package, but it's a beautiful collection. And the pages I had, like I said, I just mixed them together. So just really pretty. Love the little bench. And then where they have all those little cut-aparts, I thought that was really cute. And then here's the back. And I'll show you one more from the Mente City of Love. Once again, those journaling cards just were gorgeous. And they were just the perfect thing to put on the little notebooks. So I hope all the ladies at the crop liked them. I hope everyone has a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear a comment. Bye-bye.